What's your
Sometimes
name?
he whistle.
I can say hello. Hello. Apa kabar? Oh, do you dancing? Okay, dance. Come on, baby, dance.
You take photo of me already? Yeah, please.
Okay. Cannot see well. Here, this side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. There.
He's 30 years old, you know. Go and shower.
So, can you talk? Are you sleepy?
Of course I can.
Hello.
I said you are going to your work and come back. I want to see. With the real Rana. But actually he can because I think he's lazy.